So today I came to RJ Clinic to get my double chin treatment, which is the fat melting injection. I wanted to get that treatment because I've been feeling quite not confident about having double chin during my photo shoot and video shoot. So I'm thinking of getting it removed or make it reduced. So I decided to come to this clinic. So I just finished my treatment. Overall, the treatment was painless, fast, and it was tolerable. I can't wait to see the end result. So thank you RJ Clinic. Can't wait to see you guys again. Bye bye.